What do you want to say?
I don't know if I have any more.
What was you talking about?
I got hiccups.
Just small ones. I missed some of the bigger hiccups.
Yeah, you missed like 20 hiccups.
It's not my fault. You should have said something.
I was saying something.
I know. Whoa.
I was saying that.
What's your favorite thing to do in the afternoon? Whoa. That was pretty good timing. You got the dog ground. Whoa. Who never thought you got famous over hiccups? Jeez. Missed about 20 of them.
Yeah.
That's funny sometimes. You okay? You need an antacid?
No.
Okay.
This isn't normal.
You all good? You about hiccuped out?
I love how you tell me a question, then I hiccups, then bats bark.
Yeah, right. Well, Mama snuck in here and she got him barking. Maybe it's the hiccups doing it. He's hiccuping with you. Oh, gee. Is this going to be a 7-minute video?
Hopefully. Maybe. I don't know.
Have Mama scare you and see if it scares the hiccups out of you.
No.
Boo! Scared bad.
Come on. Where's that tongue at? It's frog.
No, don't keep putting your tongue out like a frog. I don't want you to bite your tongue.
She was doing it. The hiccups were so bad in Georgia that her tongue would come out. She didn't even know it was coming
No, I
out.
seen that one video. It was like don't bite your tongue. Be careful. Do this to oops, showed it. Boo. You're out of hiccups.
No.
You're out of hiccups.